If you've recently noticed a Now Brief bar showing up on your Samsung Galaxy screen, you're not alone. This feature is meant to provide quick updates or contextual information, but for many users, it ends up feeling unnecessary or even distracting, especially if it appears on the home screen or lock screen without being intentionally enabled. The confusing part is that it doesn't always have a clearly labeled setting, and depending on your device or software version, it might be tied to widgets, Samsung Free, or Smart Suggestions. That can make it tricky to figure out how to remove it completely. The good thing is that you can disable or remove the Now Brief bar with a few simple adjustments, restoring your screen to a cleaner and more minimal look. Try these. Step 1. Go to your home screen and press and hold on an empty area. Step 2. Tap on Home Settings or Settings from the options. Step 3. Look for options like Smart Suggestions, Now Brief, or similar features. Step 4. Turn off any setting related to Now Brief or contextual info bars. Step 5. Check the Widgets section and remove any related widget if present. Step 6. Exit settings and confirm the bar is no longer visible.